That's a Suzuki.
Our time is around 3-5 p.m. in the afternoon. My day has started a little bit late. No, actually my vlog has started a little bit late. My day started literally 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I had breakfast at that hour and again I had my lunch now, which is very bad. Why am I telling you this? The people who have started following me about my diet and my workout, I must tell you guys that it is very important to plan your meals properly. Like every 2 to 3 hours you need to eat something and fuel your body. When you split your meals properly at every 2 to 3 hours and eat, then your metabolism is going to be on point. You can read more about this on the internet. You see that all my basic dumbbells and weights are still here. I can clear it out, but I decided to keep it because I love going to the gym, but once in a while I like to work out from this room, watch some nice TV shows and also listen to some nice music. Talking about all this, I forgot about something else. I forgot to give you the intro. What's up guys, kaise ho? And I hope everyone is doing great. And more importantly, I have to tell you that today finally we're going to go and check out the Ducati V2. Now before heading out, actually recently someone messaged me saying, Sriman, you always speak about your hair care and your face care but never about your body care. I use this body wash by the 5 Life. It's a Mountain Rain invigorating body wash. Best part is no sulfates, no harmful chemicals in it. And man, it smells so amazing. That misty, earthy, fresh green smell. It not just smells nice, but it's got some beautiful ingredients in it. It's got ginkgo extract, which has natural antioxidant properties. Just dampen your skin under the shower and pump out on wet skin. And oh yes, you can use this loofah. It looks like plastic and got the right rough material here, but then it's not plastic. This is made up of natural vegetable fiber. And one more thing I like is, just wear it like that and you can scrub your skin, remove all the bad impurities using this. Also, it's got olive derivatives which are very good for your skin, and it's also got apple derived surfactant which is very gentle on your skin. After taking a bath with this body wash, I use this one. This is a mist, it's not a perfume. It is very mild, which is what I really like about it. Once again, it's got that earthy, misty flavor. And one more important point to notice, the 5 Life brand is a vegan brand. It's properly dermatologically tested, which means it suits most of the skin types, and it is animal cruelty free. As usual, whatever products I use, I put all the links in the description. We have a coupon code as well. You can use this coupon code. You can get around 15% off. And as you can see, it's just a mist. Man, it smells really good. And once again, there are no very harmful chemicals in it. Just pure nice mist. I have 2 of these. I have one in my room and one in my car. The reason I have one in my car is because every time as a vlogger I keep running here and there and I sweat a lot by the end of the day. When I meet someone, I need to smell fresh and nice, right? Charan, let me call Charan. He's also coming along with me to check out the Ducati V2 and the Kia Sonet. Hopefully today we have to check it. Finally, today it's happening. We're gonna see the Ducati V2 if it is still there inside. Hopefully it is there. Divesh, I just read something on the truck. It says 48-hour delivery anywhere in the world. Is it true?
Not right now because of cold.
Otherwise?
Otherwise, yeah.
Seriously, 48 hours anywhere in the world?
Not in anywhere in the world.
That's what is written. But any spare part, is it?
Any spare part, this comes
That's
to
excellent, but really good. Something other brands should learn. Oh, is this a Ducati V2?
Yes.
Oh yes. Finally it is here. Finally we are able to see it. No, I couldn't see it. So there you go. Let's give the 120 FPS shots of this beautiful bike. We don't have a test ride yet, right? But it's gonna come soon. Wait for that. Usually you have a rear suspension here, right? For all other bikes. This is Ducati. I don't know how does this work, but it's not at all connected to the rear tire. Obviously there is some mechanics going on. This is the only connection?
Yeah.
Sweet man, really sweet. Work of art. This is how it should be. Under a spotlight. You had the classic, you have the adventure tourer. There is one bike left for you. That is the super sport. So when are you gonna get it, Charu? చెప్పులు ఈ జీన్స్ ఈ బట్టలతో చంపేస్తున్నావు బండిని.
ఈ బండి కోసం బట్టలు వేసుకోలేదు.
Isn't that sound like crazy? Maddening, right? Roaring.
The shadow rises and I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my.
So that was a Ducati V2. Finally, we've seen it. How much is it? 20? 21.5 lakhs.
ఇంకా చేంజ్
21 తర్వాత అన్న ఒకటే 21.5 lakhs on road Hyderabad. Worth it? We can't tell now. Once we ride it, we'll understand if it's worth it or not. But for the looks, for the name Ducati, now we have something very interesting to do. We have to go and pick up a BMW 1250 GS.
ఫ్రమ్ a V2 to a 1250. What a life. We are doing
Public service
exactly.
and private service.
Charge
Public
karna
service as
padega.
in we're showing you such amazing bikes and all that. Private services picking up someone's bike and delivering it home. No, actually Shiva ka bike hai. He gave it for ceramic coating, it seems. So Shiva called me and he says, Simon, can you do me a favor? Can you go and pick the 1250 GS? Of course I'm gonna go pick up the 1250 GS, obviously.
హెల్మెట్ ఉందా? నంబర్ రాహుల్.
Oh yeah, that is the he's calling Shiva. Shiva, I was just wondering, I was so happy picking up your bike, but then I was wondering, how do I pick your bike without a helmet?
Shiva's bike you can go on a chaddi, slipper, no helmet, chalta hai.
No, actually I'll do one thing. We are just passing the Triumph showroom. Triumph showroom say we'll pick one helmet and then we'll get your bike. Ready? Right.
ఇది వేయద్దని సార్
Okay.
ఇక్కడ పీస్ కట్ అయ్యి వచ్చింది కానీ
Okay, there is Shiva's bike ready. We're just waiting for 6:30 p.m. confidence. Aditya. He just finished the office. He'll be coming here. Once he comes, we'll take the bike and head out. Delivery service karna hai today to Shiva. Shiva, you owe me 7. Oh, he didn't do ceramic coating on it. Oh, sorry. He didn't do ceramic coating on it. He just did the PPF.
Yes.
At a few places, that too, not completely. So Aditya and Charan will be coming in Charan's car. I'll be riding the BMW 1250 GS. Unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro. Shit. I thought I'll get a GoPro.
ఇదే కెమెరా పెట్టేసి చేత్తో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లో ఒకటి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లో
Shiva style riding చేయాలా?
కాయిన్ పాకెట్ 4 ఉంటాయి.
6:30 p.m. confidence is
It's
here.
it's 8 o'clock.
Oh, beyond confidence, huh?
8 ra.
Overconfidence. You have to pakka go to Ratnadeep every day.
Arey,
Again he got
ఆకలే.
peanut butter. Sorry.
నీకోసమేరా
Peanuts. ఏమంటారు అది?
లేదు సో దిస్ ఇస్ పీనట్ బటర్ మల్టీగ్రెయిన్
I thought you got those.
ఎనర్జీ బార్ అవి లేవు టాంగ్
Tong Garden.
గార్డెన్ లేవు
I thought you got those.
యూ వాంట్ ఈట్ దిస్ ఓకే ఐ ఈట్ ఇట్
No, eat. Enjoy. I'm not going to have any carbs. And I rode the 1250 GS finally, not for a very long ride. I think how many kilometers from there till here? Shiva is working actually. I think 10 kilometers maybe from that point to this point. I can give you a review.
ఓ ఎస్
So I love the
always-
bike, obviously. Once again, I love the bike, but there are 2 points I didn't. 3 points I didn't like. Third point మర్చిపోయాను. First 2 points చెప్తా. First point is I didn't like this mirrors. They're too small. So I had to keep looking.
So apparently it is more about driving. So if you drive fast, you don't have to look through this.
That's my Shiva logic. Second thing I didn't like is the tires. Tires you can change. What tires are these? Metzeler Anarchy. I don't know. These are good tires actually, but on this bike I'm not sure because they're skidding a lot. ABS is kicking in a lot, or maybe because they polish the tire, they wipe it, right? Maybe because of that. And otherwise it's fine. Overall bike is excellent, except for that tire thing. Tire you can change and the mirrors. They're too chotu re. These are like KTM's mirrors. I mean for KTM it's fine. This is such a huge bike, you need to look around.
మిర్రర్లు అంతకన్నా పెద్దగా ఏం
నేను
చేసుకుంటారు?
చెప్తున్నా శివ రేటింగ్ సార్
ఏది
ఐ గాట్ యువర్ బైక్ డెలివర్డ్ నా
అరే నీదేరా బండి
అందరికి ఇలానే చెప్తున్నాడు. జాకెట్ నీదే,
అన్ని
బండి
పనులు
నీదే.
చేసుకుని అందరికి ఇట్లా చెప్తున్నాడు, అందరూ నీదే బైక్ అంటున్నాడు. Okay, that's my quick review about the 1250 GS. Proper ride I have to do it. Unfortunately I did not have a GoPro, so I couldn't vlog it on the bike. Sometime when we go next week, or if Shiva comes for long rides in future, abhi to just 1400 kilometers is done. If he comes, then I'll take it for a proper one complete ride. 600 kilometers. All idli dosa rides.
నువ్వు పొద్దున్న లేవాలంటే
నీకన్నా ముందు లేవస్తాను ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ గెటింగ్ అప్ at 7:30 AM sharp.
సండే రాలేదు పెద్ద పోజు
You are going for idli ride, right? Bloody fool. Ratnadeep supermarket.
ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా
Banana bread.
ఓల్డ్ మద్రాస్ బేకింగ్ కమ్ అరే ఆడకన్నా నాకు ఇవ్వాలరా నేను రోజు వెళ్తా ఆడు లాగ్ లో చెప్తారు అంతే
రా జ్యూస్ రా
ఏం రా juice?
జ్యూస్ అయ్యా రా
షుగర్ కేన్ అంటారా
జ్యూస్ షుగర్ కేన్
అరే ఇరా బాబు
ఓకే నేను
షుగర్ అంటే అసలే కేన్
Sugar cane
షుగర్
juice.
ఇన్పించింది
వాడి ఇంత నుంచి ఇదే చేస్తున్నాడు.
షుగర్ అరే వాడు రా అంటున్నా
అరే ఇందులో ఎగ్ ఉంటుందా ఇందులో
శానిటైజర్ వేయాలా
షుగర్ కేన్ జ్యూస్
శానిటైజర్ రే బెటర్ అక్కడ
bingo chips packet. Haldiram's is missing, Aditya. You're getting everything. You're not missing Haldiram's.
హల్దీరామ్ చూసినా నాకు కావాల్సిన లేదు
Arey aloo bhujia, right? I forgot about that. Enjoy this.
హల్దీరామ్ మే కోई देख रहा तो प्लीज प्लीज
ఏం కావాలి 21
Okay, we have something new here. Shiva and Charan got it together. Did you get any discount for 2?
yes without discount how
Shiva has a discount hai. There's not much like crazy unboxing. ఇరిగింది అనుకో ఇందాకే జస్ట్ నో we can't tell you what happened but
ఏ సొట్టుందిరా
అంతే
that's designer right foolish fellow
డిజైనర్ మళ్ళీ
మన ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ అంట ఇట్లా చేయకు
బ్రాండ్స్ కాదు ఇట్లా చేస్తే మ్యాట్ ఉంటుంది
okay this is the SW Motec hang bag for the GS 1250 is it only for the 1250 GS and 850 I think you can put it for any bike.
మోస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్.
See the tank bag is same for all the bikes, only thing is this needs to be changed, the rings.
the bag is also same
This bag is also same.
రెయిన్ కవర్ ఇచ్చాడు
20,000 పెట్టి నీ అమ్మ
You need to put a rain cover, it's not proper 100% waterproof. This is a latch that goes onto the tank. This goes on the tank cap and iske upar this bag will sit. Quick release system, very nice. I should also get it for the Tiger, but it is pretty expensive. 200 euros convert kar lo. Approximately 19,000 change, but worth it. Does my camera fit in it? That is most important. Pakado. I use the tank bag only for the camera mainly.
అయ్యి మెయిన్ ఫీచర్ చెప్పలేదు
Perfect.
86 రూపీస్ ఇంకేం పెట్టా
Camera perfectly fits inside it. Next investment.
నేను బైక్
Let's do
లోపల
it.
పెట్టేసి కార్ తీసుకొని వస్తాను
Driving the electric car after a very very long time. All the issues are solved now.
అన్నావా
ముందే ఈడున్నప్పుడు ఎట్లాంటివి అనద్దు వీడున్నప్పుడు ఏమనంటే అదే అవుతుంది. That's it. Let's start. Oh yes.
సౌండ్ ఏదిరా
సీట్ బెల్ట్ వేసుకుని
Oh yes. Call పట్టుకురా.
అరే ఆటో నక్కువ వేసి
ఏ నువ్వేస్తున్నా చెయ్యి అమ్మ
Charan, all the problems solved now? No, actually as of now everything is solved 100%.
బరువుందిరా
ట్రైపాడ్కే
ఇంకా జోబీ ఇస్తే ఏం చేస్తాడో నాకే ఏడుపు వచ్చేది అంత. Okay, where are we going now? We're going to meet Chaitanya, Mr. Chaitanya after a long
అరే
time.
అవును రే
We have to call him. I forgot. Chai, we are coming for having chai.
తందూరి చాయ్
I said I'll just come back by 7:30. Abhi 9:30 ho gaya. What are they? Because of you.
నన్ను చెప్పరా నేను ఇంటికి పోతా అంటే నన్ను తీసుకుపోయారు
చాయ్ తాగుదాం, కాఫీ తాగుదాం, అది తాగుదాం, ఇది తాగుదాం, తందూరి చాయ్. వీడిని ఎప్పుడో రమ్మన్నాం లైక్ లిటరలీ 2 hours back. He came now. Because of you, I'm not able to
5
take
minutes లో
something.
వస్తున్నా అని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉన్నావు అనమాట అయితే
మస్కా కొట్టాలని వీడే లేట్ వచ్చాడని మస్కా కొట్టు.
అరే చూడలేదు అసలు ఏంట్రా కట్లు వచ్చేసినాయి ఇట్లా అరే గాలి వస్తుంటే ఇట్లా 6 ప్యాక్ ఇట్లా ఇది అవుతుంది
ఎక్కువైపోయింది రా అది.
బ్రో చరణ్ బ్రో
Yeah, just met a subscriber. What is your name?
మోహన్ కృష్ణ బ్రో
Mohan Krishna. Alright, you should tell that. You should tell that. One more inspiration. I mean, he got inspired from me. He also started working out.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చా బ్రో
నువ్వే యాడ్ చేసినావు
Tell the truth.
లేదు బ్రో నిజంగా ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యా
మ్యూజిక్ మ్యూట్లో
You guys need to look at this.
చంపేస్తాడు రా
Sport. అది అవసరం లేదు.
వాడిని కొట్టకు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇలా ఎరుగుతున్నాం
మేడ్రా బాబా 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 దట్స్ సుజుకి ఇంట్రూడరా ఏంటది
Whatever.
సుజుకి రా అది
ఇదొక బండి బళ్ళు చూస్తున్నావురా నువ్వు
హెల్మెట్ మ్యాడ్రా ఇట్స్ అ మ్యాడ్
మ్యాడ్ మ్యాడ్ మ్యాడ్ లైట్లతో చంపేసి
ఓ షిట్
ఏంటి?
నేను బ్రేక్ వేస్తుండేరా లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ తో క్లచ్ పట్టు అరే వన్ వేనే ఇది
ముందు లెఫ్ట్
లేదనుకుంటా
ముందు ఎక్కువ
దుర్గం గారితో ఆడిని కూడా సజాయించిర్రా. No, actually, we couldn't show him properly. If you would overtake, सामने से we could show. He was like crazy, yeah. Tron. First time we are seeing something like this. And best part is his helmet ka lights and his bike ka lights are in sync.
Legit sync.
Yeah, proper.
Not even lag. Legit sync అది.
So if your helmet lights are green, even the bike is turning green. चलो चलो. It's got really late. 10:45 हो गया. I need to go pick my car at the Ducati showroom. I left it there.